What's up everybody, this is Space Turtle 06 here and welcome back to another video. So today guys, we're doing another toy hunt. We're going to Smith's. We're going to look at the Transformer section and the pop section and maybe the game section. But first we've got to pick up my granny and Nern. If you don't know who Nern is, that's my granddad. So yeah, I'll see you when I get in the car. So guys, while I'm waiting for my mum, I'm on the trampoline. So yeah, I'll see you when I get in the car. Bing, bong. So guys, first we're going into Argos to see if there's any pops there. So I'll see you when we get there. Here at Argos, looking for the pops. I'll just type them in on my iPad. Ask our colleagues for details on travel money euro. Conditions apply. Thank you for shopping at Sainsbury's. These aren't them.
No. What are the pups?
I'll try searching pop vinyl. There they are.
Which one?
No, they're not meant to be that much.
How much are they?
The £15, they're meant to be like £10.
In a bit.
We're going to Smith's, so we'll have a look there. So I had no luck at Argos because everything was too expensive. It was £5 more than it needed to be. So I'll see you again when we head to Smith's. So we're in Sainsbury's and we're looking for some pops in the toy aisle, but I can't see any so far. There's some Transformers. No, not much. Guys, I don't think we have any. That's a bit boring. So no luck there either. So now we're going to go to D Roads, so I might see you then.
Oh my god. Oh no. Look at the rain.
Yeah.
So before we go to D Roads, we're going to go to Dobbies to get Grandad some trousers. So I'll see you then.
There's a wall in here.
So guys, we're in Dobbies, but there's no pops here, so yeah. Grandad's got his trousers, so next stop is D Roads for some dinner. Guys, we're just walking around Dobbies and the fire alarm just went off. So now we're going back outside. So since it's only 11 o'clock, we're going to go to Smith's to pass some time on, so I'll see you there. We've made it. Guys, we're here. Huh? That's not a wrestler. That's from DC. So guys, we're going to look at the Transformers first. There's so many, guys.
Christmas is a long way away.
So many. Well, if I ever want a new pop, I know where to come. Guys, I'll show you if I find anything good. Guys, this is amazing. Look, they've got Treebeard, 6-inch figure. Oh, Mame's found something. What have you found? £5. Oh yeah. I don't know who that is though, so. Oh, these are all the ones on offer.
Look at Norbert.
Who's this? Oh god, they're Braun Strowman. Oh no, I don't know what to get. I don't know whether to get 2 small ones or this 6-inch one. Oh my god, they've got Groot. Then look at him.
Oh. And they've got another Groot.
He's quite small. Why is he so small? Look at the bog. That just looks creepy. So guys, I'm looking for some Cuphead pops. So I talked to one of the staff and he said he's going to go and have a look in the back. So I'll see you then. So guys, we've come out of Smith's and this is what I've got. I've got Sylvester and Tweety from Looney Tunes, and I also got, where is he? The Flocked exclusive Chewbacca with Pug. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the review of them too, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye!